In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Google Finance. If you've ever wanted to use Google Finance in a different language, the process is simple, but it's a bit hidden, so I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Finance. You can just search for Google Finance on Google and click the official site. Once the page loads, you'll see the dashboard with market news, stock updates, and other financial tools. Now, before changing the language, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Look for the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in. After signing in, look again at the top right corner and find the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your Google account settings. From here, look for the Personal Info section. Click on it to open your personal settings. Now scroll down until you find Language under the General Preferences section. Click on Language and you'll see your current language setting. To change it, click the Edit icon, usually shown as a pencil. A search box will appear where you can type the name of the language you want. Start typing and you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the options and select your preferred one. Once you've selected your language, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your language will now be updated across Google Finance, and also across other Google services connected to your account. Just keep in mind that this setting affects your entire Google account, not just Google Finance. So if you ever want to switch back or try a different language, you can follow the same steps again. Changing your language can make navigating financial tools much easier and more comfortable, especially if you prefer using your native language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.